Furman, our litigation reporter from Tarlow, Breedhart, and Rogers, and I have to say I'm doubling up on this one because this time we're talking about a favorite subject of mine today, commissions, right, Mark?
Commissions are great. Employers not paying commissions that are due is very dangerous.
I've seen employees try to falsify commissions by writing down accounts they shouldn't have, and I've seen employers try to take commissions.
Well, that's all true. So, we've talked about the Wage Act many times. We have a very strict Wage Act case. And so does it apply when a company is shown not to have paid commissions which were due? The Wage Act says that it applies to the payment of commissions when the amount of such commissions, less allowable or authorized deductions, has been definitely determined and has become due and payable. And so when you reach that stage, it's subject to the Wage Act. And then the Wage Act says if you don't pay wages, you can recover mandatory triple damages plus costs of the litigation and reasonable attorney's fees. So we have a case that was decided on April 10th where
It's good that I overpay my sales staff. Overpay.
Okay. A gentleman named Frederick Weber sued a company called Coast to Coast Medical, Inc. He was alleged that he was a commission salesman. He got a $40,000 base plus commissions, and he claims he wasn't paid all of his commissions. So they actually had a trial, and it was a jury trial, and the jury found in favor of the employee, Mr. Weber, and therefore he was awarded triple damages and attorney's fees on the theory that his commissions had been, quote, definitely determined, close quote, and, quote, due and payable, close quote. And and the court, the court has previously determined that triple damages for a violation of the Wage Act is mandatory. Now, there is a administrative procedure one must go through in order to be able to bring a Wage Act claim. You have to notify the Attorney General's office and follow this procedure, and it's only if you've gone through that process and have not been paid that you can then bring a lawsuit. So in any event, so the defendant appealed, and the appeal seems to be based on kind of a couple of things. The first thing was the defendant argued that the plaintiff should lose because they hadn't proven in the case during the trial that the plaintiff had filed with the Attorney General's office, had gone through that pre-suit procedure.
Technicality.
Like